I must have put this on before I put these on last time, because obviously that won't go through there. Oh, can you believe it? That the coax that is on the ground here has just settled down. It's disappeared. I pinned it the other day. Right, I've had a sandwich, a drink of milk. We need to take this coax up, pull it back up through the tube, because I'm not prepared to take that connector off. I put that connector on at a table, and to be able to put it on standing up in the field, you know, to replace it, I'm just not prepared to do. So let's drag this back up. There's a bit of a bend, look, at the end. Three, 8, 6. Yeah, okay. I wish I could express my discontent with the money that I spent on this GoPro. There's too many things wrong with it. Battery life, the user interface, the fact that it doesn't tell you whether you're recording or not with an external microphone. Touch the screen anywhere and it'll just change something. And you don't know you're on hyperlapse, time lapse. You try and switch it off and it just says picture. You try and switch it off again, it goes time lapse. Try and switch it off again, it goes video. Yeah, I want video, now just switch off. I don't know, I think the software developers, maybe it's the chip. Maybe the chip inside the GoPro Hero 10, 11, whatever it is, it's a black thing, is just really slow and crappy. So I mustn't blame the software developers, but surely for another $5 I could have fixed that. Unbelievable. Anyway, one pole changed. Tomorrow we'll work on rebuilding the 15m Yagi, get that up. Now that I've done all this changing stuff, I have noticed a little issue, but I'm not telling you about that. It's just I've got a twisted rope at the top. I'll see you next time. Enjoy your radio, and bye for now.